There was a large flock of sheep grazing on a lawn. Wolf stealthily stole a lamb. The lamb tried hard to get away, but it could not. As the wolf was about to kill the lamb, an idea struck in the lamb's mind. The lamb pleaded, "Oh, wolf, I know that I'm going to die now. Will you be kind enough to fulfill my last wish?" The wolf said, "What is your last wish?" The lamb replied, "I am fond of music. Before I die, I wish to hear you play to flute." The wolf agreed and played the flute. When the wolf stopped, the lamb said, "Oh, what a beautiful music. Will you play a bit louder, please? You play far better than my shepherd." The wolf was pleased by the flattery and started to play louder. In the meantime, the shepherd and the dogs who were in search of the missing lamb heard the sound. They came running and caught hold of the wolf. The lamb happily trotted away to his flock.